Alright, so this video is how to access Corel Draw from home. We want to use a platform called Cameo, and if you can see up here in my bookmarks bar, I have Cameo right there. But you notice it's located next to the fmschools.cameo.com.portal. Okay, so what you want to do is go to FM Schools, click on, scroll down a little bit. Under Quick Links, you're going to see Student Resources. I'm going to click Student Resources. The very first item under More Information is called Cameo for Remote Work. Where you want to go. You're going to sign in with Google, so click your account. To save your work, Cameo has no place to save it, so you have to say you want it to allow access to your Google account so you can save to Google. So you're going to hit Allow. That's going to bring up all the apps that are available under Cameo. So you notice they do have Corel Draw X5. We don't have the new version of Corel in here because we just got it. It'll be there eventually, but for now, X5 is plenty, good enough for you to use while you are trying to develop your acrylic design. Give it a few more seconds here. It's connecting. You notice Corel Draw opens up. So it's just like you're in the lab and you were working on Corel Draw X5 like before. A lot of times you get that welcoming screen. You can just close that. You can also close this document palettes. You can make your workspace a little bit bigger, and then you can say, I want to start a new, acrylic design. Put your name in there. So you notice if I just, whatever you think is, a good name for you to remember what it is. Okay. From here, you can import your pictures just like we've always done. Just save your picture in here and then save this file or share this file. Save it into your Google Drive. So let's look at that. Let's say File, Save As. So you notice this looks different here. We've got a thing that says G Drive, Share Drives, G Drive, Share Drives. G Drive, this first one is your Google Drive. The second shared drives is the one that has the www. Tech folder, 6th grade, whichever class you're in, you want to put it in either even days, odd days, or period 7. Any of those will work. If I was in period 7, you notice it has an acrylic design for LED sign folder, so you can put it. All right, so you notice my name is down here. Leave the file extensions alone. Don't change those, because if you delete this, the program won't know what the file is and it won't be able to open it. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, that is all for. Good luck. See you later.